There he is. There he is, top water. Oh yes. It's a nice little bass on this rabbler. Look, jump. Caught my first tagged fish. I had them cooked that for one on like a sassy shad. Alright everyone, good morning. What's up? I'm Mac. I'm with Jeff, Fish Whisperer. We're on the fabulous Roanoke River going after bass. Probably catch a few stripers. I'm gonna even fish for nice red breast in here. Just gonna have a good time. It's July 1st. Water level I think is about 6,000. So anyway, let's get busy. It's a great day. I turned 60 yesterday. I made it to 60, so some people don't make it there, so just be blessed with that. Let's get busy. Guys, got them on. Get back in the water quick, guys. Had a couple of hits. Go. He's good. There he is. There he is, right there. Little guy. Little guy, he choked it. Ooh. Right there. Put them upside down, they don't do much. Get back in the water. It's good. There he is. Got him. Got him. Yeah. He got me, pinned me. All right, I've caught about 4 or 5 stripers on the fluke. I had one striper hit a whopper plopper. I had a big striper roll, probably 12, 15-pound striper roll. It's a fluke, but the whopper plopper hasn't produced but one little bass and one strike from a striper. So I'm gonna go to the spinnerbait. Other than that, it's been an uneventful day, but it's good. We're on the river, having fun. That's all that matters. Fish on. Good looking little largemouth. Oh, nice, get him back in the water. Ah. Oh shit, it's right here. Ugh. Fish on! Woo! Good bass, guys. Woo, that's a nice bass. That's a nice chunky bass right there, guys. Alright, let's get him back in the water. That's a fat one. Just a pull-yaw spinnerbait. You know what I say to that? Booyah. This is nice. Hello. I said hello. Yeah, he's about 2 pounds fat. He's fat. Maybe 2.5, but I said maybe 2.5, but at least 2. He's fat.
Do you have any swimming flukes in your bag?
No. No, not really. Oh, there's one.
What? You kidding me?
Right there.
Oh, it's just in there. Literally just there.
Oh God, I gotta pull him over some rocks. Ugh. He's not quite as big as the one I just caught up there.
What's that?
See, he's not quite as big as the one I caught up there. Whew. Nice little bass. Nice little beast. He's good. There he is, top water. Oh yes, it's a nice little bass on this rabbler. Look, jump. Nice little bass. Don't come on. Well, nice, that's a good looking bass. That's a good looking the F5 twitched on the top, guys. I was trying to catch some big rip. Alright, let's get him back. He's good. Get the camera back in a waterproof box. Boom. There he is. Bam. It's a red breast. What kind is that? Look at that. I don't know what that is. Now we're back out in the main river. I do not want to flip here. Woo! Big fish! Woo! Big fish, guys. Hit the buoy off spinnerbait. Right there, guys. Woo! Let's get a picture of him. Alright guys, we're gonna get a release on him. Nice fish. He's good. Woo. What a hit! That's nice. Bass. Moose. Got him, spinnerbait. Alright guys, this may be the last bass. Good looking bass. Pull y'all spinnerbait. Let's get him back in the water. Alright everyone, hope you enjoyed today's video. Awesome day for good friend Jeff on the Roanoke River. We didn't catch as many. This is several weeks I'm doing this outro after the video. We didn't catch as many as we normally do, but that's not what matters. It's a beautiful river. Getting out, enjoying the river. I think I may have caught 10 or 12 bass, 5 or 6 stripers. Not a bad day by any means, but not your normal Roanoke River day, which is fine. You can't catch 40 bass every trip. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Do me a favor. Check out my Roanoke. I do have a Roanoke River playlist right there. And hit the subscribe button. I think I'll put it right there. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.